I can't get it out.
Bow chicka bow.
Got it out. Okay. Plug.
Kylo Ren is Batman at the end of episode 8. Spoiler. God damn it, Demonada.
Well, think about it. He's not all that wrong. I mean, admittedly, he was the one that stabbed his dad, not some dude in an alley that shot him. But still, his dad's dead. I mean, it's kind of close to being Batman.
But that's episode 7. That's not episode 8. Spoiler.
Well, yeah, but he became Batman in 7, but he didn't know until 8. Actually, he killed his dad in 6. No, 7. 7, because 8 you've already seen, because that's Rogue One.
No, 8 is not. Rogue One, it's a separate trilogy.
It's not a separate trilogy, it's a plot fixer.
No, it's its own separate one.
Yeah.
It's a part, it includes with the movie stories.
It's
but
in
the
the middle of them, between 3 and 4.
But it's the one Disney's taken off on their own. So there's still episode 8, which has already came out, and an episode 9 to come out. And then there's 2 more after Rogue One.
So much Star Wars.
I know, it's so complicated.
Much love, though.
You should have seen it on Christmas Day.
Okay.
Telling, as we're all talking about, like, people asking if they've seen the new Star Wars film.
Welcome to the binary. Your code has been implemented into the database.
You're now being uploaded. Well, yeah, it makes sense, being uploaded rather than
uploaded makes sense, but did Mixit make you defollow me, Demonada?
No, he defollowed you. You got sick of your shit. Okay.
What the hell? I just saw the button change right in front of me. What the fuck is... You literally just watch it go from following to follow.
I don't like you anymore.
Seriously, what the fuck, Mixer?
What's next?
What the biscuit?
What's next?
Let's see. What other messy wiring things do we need to do before we get the radiators in?
Power supply for the GPUs. Kind of. They're not really messy. They can come later on.
Because them radiators are going to be in the way. Especially when the fans are in them as well.
Yeah. But we don't have to get them both in at the same time, like I had to. We can do one side at a time because they haven't got the pumps on anymore.
True.
Because the pumps are now...
They actually look really good now the rest of it's in, by the way.
Yeah. I saw that before. I was looking at it, like, actually looks half decent. I could probably get the 250s, which are slightly bigger reservoirs, but it would bring them right up here, and that'd be too close. I think it makes it look like it's got little horns.
I like it down there. It's like nice, neat.
I might get like a top of a helmet or something. Just make it like a Viking helmet in the bottom of a case.
Just somehow get around it.
Yeah.
Just round that off.
Just gonna have a bang sorted. Problem solved.
I have to head for a while. I'll be back. No problem, Demon Out. We've still got a little bit left to go.
We've got loads left to go, mate.
Yeah, like I say, if you miss anything and you want to catch up, it's all going to go up on YouTube.
I think.
Under its build name, which we will announce at the end.
Yeah, okay. Bum bum bum.
Bum 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 bum.
Now, Simon, do you remember which ones of these were which?
RJ Dixon, thank you for the host. Well, you're not following. It's a host. Thank you for the host and thank you for the support very much.
RJ Dixon.
Yes. Friend of Sleepless.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was just thinking. I was like, hey, I know that guy.
Do I remember which was which? I do when I put them down.
So the answer's that's no, yeah.
That's my toe.
I don't give a damn. Right, so these need to go.
Which, funny enough, RJ Dixon's also another PC person.
I know he is.
I know I put them together in like the size they came with.
that is how they go on.
Very smartly.
So I need to get those onto here with the radiator as well.
Radiator one side, fans the other, isn't it?
Let's see.
Fans this. On the outer.
Well, naturally.
Yes.
Naturally. And because where my computer sits on my desk, these ones will be the exhaust. Oh my god, there's proper bird's nest going on here. It's not good. Cable Fairy has visited. So these will go on this way, and they'll go on upside down. So they'll go on like this.
There, they're separated.
So they'll go on like this.
Now the problem is, we can't just put the fans on.
Nope. But that is why I have a solution. Have faith in me, my friend.
You have a solution to the fact we need to put the radiator and the fans on at the same time?
Yep. Have no fear, my friend, as I know what I'm doing.
Could have fooled me.
Wait. Need some of that roll stuff, please.
One or two? One or two?
One will do.
One.
Okay. Now I need room on the table actually as well. To make room here.
Right. Room has been made.
Move them out of the way. We're going to have to put a bit of pressure on this so we don't want to break them. Now nothing should come out of that, but that tissue's for just in case purposes. Okay.
Okay.
This is like messed up to hell because of these brackets. Okay. What I've just laid in front of good Mr. Simon here, as you can put the camera down and actually show you, is a EK 480mm quad 140 triple thickness radiator. Supports 4 120mm fans. With lots of cooling capacity. And that is it lined up right there.
And now I need the one fan you have over there.
Wait. They hook down, don't they?
Yes. So if they hook down like that.
Yeah, I want that way around.
So flip them.
Make sure I get these the right way around the first time, because last time I couldn't be bothered moving it, and that made it an absolute bastard to drain. Okay, so what we're going to do is, we know how it's going to line up, so we can take one of these off. We'll take this one off. Oh, I need the Allen key. Put it down again. Found it. We're okay. Right, what we do is get the Allen key, and we screw in this one here. Screw it right the way down, as far down as we can get it. I'm going to get this one here. I'm going to do the same on this side. Wait, I need to not do that just yet. I've done that too soon. Because you see, what we're doing here is we're pulling the metal against the metal.
Right.
To make them pull closer together. When we come to actually do the fan, which I'll get the screws for now, makes it easier to get the fan screws in. So I'm not trying to squash the metal to get the fan screw in, because it's literally just like the end 3 threads that get
exhaust,
used.
so that way.
Yes, but facing downward.
Right.
With the logo facing down. So then we can get this, line it up with the hole, and catch a couple of threads. Just like that. See? Nice and easy. It says being unable to line up another one.
not be easy to do the opposite corners.
Then you've got to try and push the metal down again. So that's not lined up.
If that's not lined up.
Take that out, please. If you look, it's not lined up with the hole on there. His actual bracket is twisted. It's not easy.
I never said it was. I think it's because it's too far that way.
It's too far that way.
It needs to be a little further down.
Well, no, because the hole's there.
It looks a little too far like that way to me.
The hole's right there.
Yeah, I can see the hole, but
So if you move it down, the hole's going to be here.
it's going to be a little tiny bit up.
No, not if we move it down. Oh, pooping.
Now look what you're doing.
Tell me about it, right? Damn it.
I'm trying to see silver, I can't see silver. Has he gone under me?
Nope, it went as far away as it physically could.
China.
I don't think China's actually the furthest point away. I wonder what is like directly opposite us.
If we had a globe, what you do is you go to get England, you get a really sharp stick and go right through it and see what country you come out at.
I wonder where we would actually be. There's my fourth one.
Is that what you were looking for?
You nicked my screw.
Dude, cam's there.
He nicked my screw. Always one that's a problem, isn't there?
I remember when I was taking these apart, you were saying they were a bitch to put on.
Mm-hmm. You remember rightly, my friend. And I told you correctly. Don't worry, only another 7 more to go.
Fans, not screws.
We've got a lot more than 7 screws.
Well, it's alright. It's leaked a tiny bit.
Nah, probably just condensation in the pipe itself. Not anything else. That way it's at. There we go. One done.
One down, many more to go.
Okay. Rotate back round onto the. Did you move these two?
That way, upside down.
time are we on? 3 hours in. It's not too bad. We're actually making really good time compared to our last one we done.
Where the last one we also did the whole strip down. We don't really want to include that in this one, mate.
Yeah, but we wasted like an hour. Like a good hour we've wasted not actually doing anything.
True.
And with the other one, we were proper, you know, taking our time, showing parts off and stuff as well, weren't we? And considering that there is like twice the stuff in this one compared to what was in the last one.
Indeed.
There literally is. There's double the radiators, there's double the amount of fans, there's double the graphics cards, there's double the core count, there's double the RAM. It literally is double apart from a motherboard.
I'm sure we can solve that. I mean, yeah, solve that.
Could have.
Just get a little micro ATX board and just chew in the corner.
Could have quite easily fit in my pocket. Could have quite easily fit in the case I wanted.
No, I'll talk about that.
I know, right? It was an off-the-record conversation. It's just one of those conversations that doesn't exist. But it happened. I just can't tell you what happened in it. However, I do believe I am a Corsair fanboy.
Indeed, you definitely are.
On account, like, everything's Corsair.
If it's not Corsair, it's normally a Asus.
Oh yeah, it's one or the other. The only thing I haven't got is Corsair SSDs, because I wouldn't.
Like Corsair makes SSDs.
Yeah. They're called Force or something.
There's the clips, so it goes on
That way around. And that goes on here with the fans coming up that way. You see where I'm going with this?
Yes, they're all coming out.
But
this
we're
window.
doing this one first. Because then I can run that cables up. I want to put the other way and the other cables lay on top. Save trying to shove these ones past the other ones. Because getting past there is a bitch. But if it's already past there, it's easy. You know what I'm saying, mate?
I know exactly what you're saying.
Good. We're still getting this in the case and wire it all up yet.
Yep, it's going to be a long
Don't bother lining it up yet. Gotta put the 2 screws in. 2 magical screws that make it work.
The 2 magical screws that make it work.
Yeah. Because without them it doesn't work. Long ones. We go for this one here first, I say.
I have no clue it's lined up whatsoever. It is now.
It actually is. God damn. That went in remarkably easy.
Don't say that.
Oh, don't worry. Like, I'm under no illusion that it's going to be an absolute twat to get this one in.